Shillong All Faith Forum SAFF mentakasi ke Shipau Tarik Nailar Hajar Pholai kala Rakhe ke Lyngkhuh Dap Snem ni ke Third Foundation Day hakaba kamat ke ka peace, harmony and environment hakaba ulat ke jylla ulalong kum kongsan haka jingiadonlang ki dkhot ke SAFF kiba kynthup yu Bishop P Lyngdoh kum president ke SAFF Reverend Father Richard Majaw kum Secretary ke SAFF Bah Naba Bhattacharjee kum Vice President ke SAFF Bishop Victor Lyngdoh lembat kiwei.
Production in the mix.
Such a strong thread which binds all religion and faith together. There is no religion or faith which does not acknowledge the importance of environment. Whether we see the Hindu way of life, we Sanatanis, if you see in our Vedas or in our Puranas, we will see that our way of life has been intricately linked with environment. In fact, even we have sacred rivers and mountains whom we worship. And this itself is a true manifestation of that spiritual link.
At the outset, I would like to express my gratitude to the Saff for doing me the honor to deliver a short speech on this auspicious occasion, that is the third Foundation Day of Shillong All Faith Forum. These days, religion is often considered by some a source of discrimination, disagreement, and disunion. However, this narrative is not in harmony with the mission and the vision of Saff, a conglomeration of faith-based organization.
पर्यावरण हमारी धरती माता है, पर्यावरण में वो प्रकृति प्राकृतिक संसाधन शामिल है जो कई तरीके से हमारी मदद करते हैं।
Well, 3 years is not a very long time, considering the age of our state, Meghalaya. But Saff, as you heard just now, was formed during the COVID problems. The government had invited the faith leaders to assist in helping people creating awareness among the people regarding the medicines, injections, and all that is necessary. So, as a Saff, we have helped the government in forming those SOP, Special Operation Procedure SOPs. We had formed those, submitted to government, and they have been accepted. Then besides all those, then in the course of time, we have also met with the government with regard to drugs abuse, drinking. These are social issues which are so pertinent in our society. So we are still working on this with the government. And then, besides all that, the best part of Saff is that we are able to come together, to sit together as people of different faiths, which has never happened in the past. Now it is possible. That's what I said. Though we belong to different faith communities, as we see today in our country, there's so much problems. But Saff is a small seed that we have planted 3 years ago. This is our prayer, this is our hope that it will continue to grow in the sense that continue to bring people together. And whatever service, whatever work that we are able to do, what the government, what the society requires of us, we, the Saff, is there always willing to help and to be of service to the society.